Dear students, in this session, let us discuss about one of the important class of aromatic compounds which are derived from aromatic amines called diazonium salts. Let us discuss first about the preparation or the formation of diazonium salt from aromatic amines. The treatment of aromatic amine with nitrous acid, which is generated from the reaction of sodium nitrite which converted into nitrous acid in presence of strong acid like hydrochloric acid, results in the loss of water and the formation of new new nitrogen triple bond takes place, and the resulting species is called as diazonium ion. So, formation of diazonium salt from aromatic amine involves the first this is the overall scheme of the reaction. This is aromatic amine aniline, which in presence of hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrite, which generates nitrous acid, which further leads to the loss of water, leads to the formation of nitrogen triple bond. So here these aryl diazonium salts are moderately stable because aryl cations are slow to form. So alkyl diazonium salts are generally too unstable for the practical use. So the formation of nitrosonium ion from nitrous acid, that is HNO2, it is the first step in this diazonium salt formation, and the process from which the diazonium salt is formed is called as diazotization. And the key reagent which is involved in this process is sodium nitrite, that is NaNO2, which leads to the formation of nitrous acid, that is HNO2. Here the advantage of using the sodium nitrite is it is very easily handled salt, and whereas nitrous acid is a somewhat unstable liquid. The second reagent is the strong mineral acid, that is hydrochloric acid. If NaNO2 is used, hydrochloric acid convert into HNO2, that is nitrous acid. So sodium nitrite is protonated with a strong acid to give nitrous acid. So this is the first step. The purpose of hydrochloric acid is to convert this nitrous acid to a powerful electrophile, that is NO+, that is called as nitrosonium ion. So which is a key electrophile which is required for the formation of diazonium salt. The nitrosonium ion, which is formed through the protonation of OH and which result from the loss of water, react with which can be given like this. This is nitrous acid in presence of hydrochloric acid. What we can see, there is a protonation, OH from HCl gets added to here, forming this. Further it loses this molecule of water, forming nitrosonium ion. So these are the various steps which are involved in the formation of a new nitrogen bond, which occurs through the attack of nitrosonium ion by aromatic amine, that is step 1. Further, the 2 proton transfer from nitrogen to oxygen, which are in the step 2 and 3, accompanied by reorganization of the pi bonding, that is forming nitrogen pi bond, breaking nitrogen-oxygen pi bond. The final step is the nitrogen triple bond formation, which is formed by the expulsion of water, which leads to the step 4. So these can be given like this. The formed nitrosonium ion attacks this aniline and forms this intermediate. This is a nitrosonium ion, this is the intermediate which is formed, and further in presence of water, what we can see, there is a transfer of proton which leads to the formation of OH, and further this internal proton transfer will takes place, leading to the formation of the OH2. This OH2 will be liberated, or it will be expelled from this, leading to the formation of diazonium salt. So from these diazonium salt, especially we can prepare various organic compounds. Let us take example of benzene diazonium chloride. So first important compound is we can prepare benzene by benzene diazonium chloride, which is a single step reaction which can be carried out using either H3PO2, that is phosphorus acid, or ethanol. So this is a first reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with H3PO2, it gives directly benzene, and this benzene diazonium chloride, when treated with ethyl alcohol, it leads to benzene, acetaldehyde and nitrogen. In both the cases, nitrogen gas is evolved. This is the one more type. This is a reaction which you can give. And if you see, another important class of compounds are prepared from the coupling reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, when reacts with phenol, beta-naphthol, aniline to methyl aniline, they form azo dyes. In this reaction, HCl is eliminated. Phenol and benzene diazonium chloride reaction, when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol, it forms a red color organic dye which is used in the manufacture of textiles. This is an example which we call it as para-hydroxyazobenzene, which is formed by the reaction of phenol with benzene diazonium chloride. Even beta-naphthol and benzene diazonium chloride reaction also gives 1-phenyl azo 2-naphthol compound, which is an organic orange color dye, which is also used in the textile industry. This is the reaction which you can give for this reaction of benzene diazonium chloride with beta-naphthol, which also takes place in basic medium. And another important reaction is the substitution by an OH group. In this reaction, the benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium ion reacts with the water and the phenol is formed, either in solution or as a black oily liquid, depending upon how much compound it is formed. So nitrogen gas is evolved. This is a hydrolysis reaction. Along with the nitrogen is also evolved. The same reaction can be carried out when phenylamine reacts with nitrous acid, and the warm condition, the diazonium ion formed is first, and immediately it reacts with the water and forms phenol. Thank you.